just start to loosen it up. You can see wetness coming out now, and move that jerry can and funnel over into place. Now you can see it start to drip. You can say, wow, look at all that fuel in the tank. I thought we drained the tank. Okay, now this is where you want to be a little careful. Keep your arm and hand up high as you take this the rest of the way out. And I'm just going to let it, sometimes I'll put a rag around my wrist. Probably should do that right now. Yeah. Okay, let's tie a rag around my wrist. These are the worst because they drain right out the side. They want to go right down your arm. Okay, I'm going to get this in a position. I don't care if the screen drops into the funnel. Oh, come on. There we go. And now you see what I mean about dripping all over the place? It's running out the tank. And you'd be amazed, this will sit here and drip for a half hour. If you've ever done this before and had gas run up your arm, you're going to like this rag trick. Okay, now I'm going to lift the screen out, take a look at it. That's pretty clean. So I think that gives you a pretty good illustration why you need this large drip pan, even underneath the jerry can where you're catching the fuel.